In this short video, I will show you a better alternative to copying and pasting. You're probably familiar with the Ctrl+C shortcut for copying, and then pasting by pressing Ctrl+V. But did you know that you can copy multiple text segments and save them for pasting later? Let me show you what I mean. First, copy all the text and images you want saved for pasting. Once you've done that, open any word processing software and hold the Windows button and V. This will open a clipboard containing all your copied material. You can then paste any of your copies by simply clicking on it. This method of pasting gives you more control as you can rearrange and choose where you want your content. If you want to clear your copies, click on Clear All button at the top.